Hello darlings, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're here for the first time, don't forget to subscribe. And if I subscribe, thank you for doing that. Thank you all for your love and your support. My name is Naziz Amino, CEO as of me now. And so today, darling, we'll be learning how to make this simple food turban. So this is a material that will be needed for this DIY. So I have my turban already made, and I have my basis thousand, I have my stone, my needle and thread. So I have my scissors, and I'm going to pour the stone inside the container just like this. I'll be showing you just what I'm doing. It's so easy to do. So I'm going to be pouring it inside. Just find the small container or small cover just like this, and can you see the stone? I'll put this aside. I'm going to put the stone aside, and so I'll move to the fabric that I'll be working with. So this is my fabric. I have two type of fabric. The first fabric, and this is a top band, and the length I'll be using for that top band will be using 16 to 17 inches long. 16 to 17 inches long. They're going to fold the band with it together. You're going to weave the inside or use your needle and thread to weave it. So you can check previous of my videos on how to make a turban cap. So this turban cap is so easy. Just check my previous video on how to make a turban cap. And so this is the cap, and I'll be doing the fitting at the back. Yes, so I'll be making a small cap. You can try to make yours big, depending on your clients. Just make it big, and so I'm going to do a running stitch just like this. So just see what I'm doing. It's so easy to do. Then I'm going to use that needle to pull that out. So I'll keep doing this. Just see what I'm doing. Very, very easy to do. So you keep doing that, and then you pull it out. See what I'm doing, and I'm going to tie it together just like this. Can you see? Can you see that it's so easy to do? It's very, very easy to do. So just tie it just like this. I need to use can you see what I'm doing? Very easy to do. So then you're going to cut this out. Cut this out. Then you're going to turn it. So you're going to, before you turn it, you're going to tack it. Before you turn your turban, make sure you tack it just the way I'm doing it. You tack it, you're going to sew it in and out. Then you're going to cut this out and you sew. Can you see what I'm doing? Make sure it's tight. So just the way I'm doing it, make sure it's tight. Cut it out. See what I'm doing? So you cut this out. Wow. So the next thing I'll be doing now. So this you're going to be using for the ruffle. You're going to be using almost 1 yard. Can you see? This is a very light skin, a very light skin fabric. See, can you see? Again, to just see what I'm doing. So easy to do. Very, very easy to do. Just see what I'm doing. So I'm just trying to see what I'm going to be doing. I'm trying to see what I'm going to be doing. Oh wow, I don't really know what happened here. So thank God I was able to get that part. So what I did now is I fold my fabric into two just like this. I'm going to fold into two. See what we are doing? So you're going to fold into two, just like this, and I'm going to be doing a ruffle. Just see what I'm doing. So I'm going to fold just like that. So I'm just trying to see how full it's going to come out. So I'll be using my needle and thread to do this part. I'll be using my needle and thread to do the part. So let's start. So I'm going to see, can you see? I'm going to start making that ruffle just like this. I'm going to be doing the running station. I'm going to bring it out. Just what I'm doing. Pull this out. Then you go to the next line. You repeat the same thing. That's how you're going to be doing it till you get to the last see what I'm doing. So I'm going to put this one out too. Can you see? The ruffle is coming out. You repeat the same thing to the other side too. So I'm trying to check so you keep doing that again. So you're going to go to the next line again and do the ruffle just like this. Just take your just see what I'm doing. You're going to do your ruffle just like this. And you're going to pull this out. If you're new to my YouTube channel, please subscribe, share my video with friends and family. Just see what I'm doing. Can you see the ruffle is coming out? Can you see? Then you go to the next one again. Then you do it just like that again. See what we are doing. So you pull this out. Can you see what we are doing? It's very, very easy to do. So you put this one out again. You go to see, just put that one out. Can you see? So I'll say checking where I'm going to fix it, and this is it, and we continue doing that. You can use fabric of your choice. Make sure the fabric you're working with is a very soft fabric, and it's soft and it's very light. Should be very light, and see what we are doing. So I'm trying to see, should I place it like this? So just see. Can you see? Can you see? Can you see what we are doing? So I'm going to do the ruffle till I get to the last place, and so this is the last place of the ruffle. So I'll be showing you the next thing. So the next thing I'll be doing right now is I'm going to pull out the thread. So I'm done with the ruffle. It just depends on how full you want it. You can decide to use 1.5 for this ruffle. You can use 1 yard. You can use a 1.5, but the yard I use is almost 1 yard, but it's not up to 1 yard. So you're going to tie. So can you see? So you're going to fold it, turn it. Can you see what I did there? It's so easy to do. Then you're going to tack it together with the help of a needle and thread. Can you see? You're going to tie it together with your needle and thread. I'm going to use your needle and thread to secure that part. It's so easy to do. Just see what we are doing. Just try this by yourself. It's very easy to do. You can do this by yourself. If you're a beginner, this will be easy for you to do. You can do this by yourself. So all you have to do is what? Check previous of my videos on how to make a turban cap. So when you learn out, so just check how to make a turban cap, and you're good to go. You're good to go. So see what I'm doing. Then you tie this just like this. You tie this and cut it out. So just see what we're doing. That is it. So the in parts you kind of just tack on the inside together. But I leave mine, just depend on how you want it. So I'm trying to check where I want to fix my cap to. Is it up or by the side? So this is it. So I'm trying to see where I'm going to fix this on the turban cap. So this DIY is for beginners. Even just beginner, just try this out. Just do this DIY by yourself. So you're going to tack on this to your turban body. Tie it to the turban body. Then you're going to use your needle and thread to tack it round. Just fine. Just tack, leave a space, tack and leave a space. So the next thing we'll be doing, you're going to be stoning your so after I'm done down, I'm going to stone it. So I'm still tacking it. So you can use your hot glue to do that part. You can use a needle and thread to do that part. It just depends on you. Just to make sure what you are doing is so neat. It's so neat. So neat for you and your clients. Make sure your work is so neat and you're going to check the inside and cut out the rope just the way I'm doing it. Can you see? So easy to do.